Hello, I'm eating ice cream right, and I have anti-rabies, but I think ice cream is good for me. It is okay to eat. I just burped. I got bit by my dog over here. Wait, I'll be back. Okay, we're here, guys. This is my hamster, by the way. Okay, I got bit by my dog over here. Oh my god. Hello, doggy. But right now, he's kind of like a little bit friendly now. So, but I just got my vaccine here and here. I'm not gonna show it because YouTube might just be banning me right now, banning my videos. YouTube might ban my videos, but YouTube, please, don't ban my videos. I just want some subscribers. I just want to be famous. I'm going to eat ice cream now. I'll see you guys later. Want some? Too late. Bye-bye.